Before I wrap my salmon in foil, I'm gonna season it. A little bit of olive oil, just so it doesn't stick, and some salt, and fresh black pepper. Now, I'm gonna let those sit for a minute, and I'm gonna grab 2 shallots. And I'm using shallots in this dish. They're part of the onion family, but they're a little sweeter and milder, so they won't overpower the sauce later on. Salmon isn't found in the Mediterranean, so it's not as popular a fish in Italy, but I love its buttery flavor and texture. It just melts in your mouth. I think it's perfect for this dish. But you could also use halibut, swordfish, red snapper fillets. And we'll put it in our bowl. And now, 3 beautiful ripe vine tomatoes. They're sweet and they remind me of summer. They're perfect. I'm gonna slice these up. You don't need to seed them or take the skin off. It's perfect just the way they are. If you can't find fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes are a perfect alternative for this dish. Wipe my hands real quick, and we are gonna add some aroma to this dish. Some oregano, just a pinch. Oregano is so fragrant, and it's very pungent and earthy, woodsy. And we're gonna also use some thyme for some minty, lemony flavors. Now we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice, some zing to this dish. And of course, salt and pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and some olive oil. So it's sort of like a fresh salsa that's gonna cook down with the salmon, and all the flavors are gonna melt together. It's gonna be succulent and delicious. Mix it up. A lot of people like to use parchment paper for this dish, but I think tinfoil is easier to seal. We're gonna add 1 piece of our salmon fillet, and I've put it oiled side down so it doesn't stick to the tinfoil. And then we're gonna spoon our tomato mixture, 2 spoonfuls. And now we're gonna just fold over the sides, just like a little package. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. When it's done and the pouch is opened, the moist salmon releases a burst of aromas.